Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing guys how you can change the color of outfits on Dress to Impress. It's super simple to do. You're just going to go to the dress you want to change the color of. Select this like either wheel, palette, or even patterns if you want to. So this wheel you can kind of change it here and be more precise with the colors that you want the dress to be. For palette, they kind of like just give you colors you can choose from to make it just a little bit quicker. You can even save colors here. So for instance, this color you want to save, just press save color. You can also again choose patterns like that. And you can even toggle the dress to have like an effect, like this reflective effect. Or this one. Oops. Have like type 2, type 3, like a glossy one, this like kind of scaly one. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.